Why others should bother for your work? You yourself give importance to your work, others will start doing the same automatically. Others are not to understanding your work. You have to understand yourself and make other understand. First understand yourself, what important work you are doing and what important position you are holding. I'll give you this was I have given for some minutes as such. Uh, as regards correction in correction, okay. As regards drafting minutes, also I'll tell that people say, maintaining records for private company and public company, listed company. People like to maintain records for listed company and public company. But when it comes private company, where they say very activity is very less. What do you mean by activity? If a person is live, there is always activity, active or passive. Keep in mind, the company is a person. It's live. So activity is there. It may be active or passive. You don't know. You are not bothered to check which activity is on, actively or passively. That's why you are talking. It's not active, not much activity. This is a simple word a person uses. Professional company secretary uses. It's always the activity. You have not noticed. You have not understood. Try to understand and notice that. As regards record of private company, sorry, I have presentation, but at which I'm filling, I'm just talking. I have not prepared anything. I'm just talking with you people. It's not that I have prepared something and talking. I'll take a PPT later on. So if it's a private company and no activity as it is mentioned, people say, what is the importance of the record? I say, in that company, these records are very, very, very important. Why? If it is a listed company, it's regulated too much by outside authority. It has a lot of compliances. So chances of dispute and fraud and all is quite, it's there, but comparatively less. But the private company is list control, list manage. The infrastructure is weak, less observance. So chances of mistake, misconduct, fraud, dispute, cheating is highest. And when all this happens, what is the proof? Your own secretarial record. And that time, who will be scapegoat? Company secretary or a practicing CS. So be careful. Again and again, I'm telling you don't know the importance of work, so you say the work is not important. Please understand and digest. No work is useless. Otherwise, that work would have not have existence and survived the years. No one is fool, right? It has importance. If you are doing any work, give importance to it. Understand the importance. How you will understand the importance? Just see, think that I don't do that. What all can be consequences? No doubt. You will understand how important that work is. Do this exercise. Okay, now you are doing the work. You are not feeling it important. Now you think that it is not important. Then think that if I commit a mistake in doing this work, what are the consequences? I'll give you one example. Filing form. Okay, sorry, I was coming to minutes only, right? I'll give you one practical example. That in 1 minute, because we do BD and all that, the one director was not shown present in that particular meeting, though he was present. Sitting fee given. So accounting query will come. Auditor will raise the question. Proof will be asked. Right? Second situation. The director was not present and shown present. Now here I say, okay, he was present, shown present. I don't know how this kind of mistake happened. It should not, but happened, for example. Please note that he was interested in one of the related party transaction. His interest was not disclosed. He took part. Please understand what I was telling you. Minutes is the squeezing of the knowledge of entire Companies Act. Tell me how you will ensure that a director is present during entire meeting. That compliance is required. You need to record. Directors cannot take part in the discussion and vote where he is interested. How the same can be proved? How you will ensure that yes, this compliance is done? Minutes. All directors should be given opportunity of being heard. How it will be proved? Chairman asks the views of the board members, right? Some director, independent director, need to take care and ensure that there is a proper disclosure, or he should oppose to non-compliance or a risky decision. How will you ensure that? Mr. Days, who is independent director, expressed his or her concern towards the decision to be taken. As regards liquidity, how you will show that? Director express the concerns towards the financial liquidity. As regards future ventures, how you will tell that the directors were informed? Take this one by one, Leo. All compliances can be proved through minutes. Please understand, you can forget the form, but minutes is a continuous hearing. You can forget to file the form late and it can be filed late. Minutes one done and circulated. It's action done, completed. That's why you have to take care. Now, secretary standard. Oh my, that is a nuisance. It's bloody made us clerk. What nonsense this, created. CSR made clerk. I know I heard many things for this. But it took us so many months and a year to draft that. It's a piece of document to be understood. It's a unique in entire world. People laugh and make mockery of that. But I can put an argument for each and every secretarial standard in the world. It has been analyzed and discussed thoroughly. To be honest, it is for the protection of company secretary and the directors only. Repeatedly is asked, why you are circulating minutes so many times? My dear friends, you will prepare the minutes and send it to the chairman. There will be comma, full stop removal, which only change entire meaning. I remember the word when the new Companies Act 2013 came, and CS was telling that a lot of responsibility on us and all that. At that time, Mr. Pilot says that I have fought with so many parties and the questions for passing this Companies Act. Now you have to also fight for all your corrections suggested of comma, full stop, etc. in minutes. Why he made comment? He knows what he was talking. And here comes the answer. When you draft it in transparent manner. My always suggestion, if you are covering the meeting or any decision, cover it fully. You perform your duty. Let chairman exercise his or her right to delete or add. The right and decision is of chairman, but the duty to draft in transparent manner is yours. So you don't skip duty in the apprehension that chairman will not like or will not accept. Okay, so this is my advice. And why it should be circulated? Okay, for their comments, right? Now, if their comments doesn't come, you get it signed. Again, why after signing the same is required to be circulated? At the time of signing, without any comment, if certain amendments made, who is responsible? Who will come to know that what actually went in the minutes, though this was approved? What exactly signed minutes was same which was circulated? Is any director is going to come to know except company secretary and chairman? Now, who will be the responsible for changing the minutes? Company secretary. But when it is circulated, the directors are told that please be sure that these are the final minutes getting recorded in the minute book. It's not that a company secretary or anyone else has changed. So don't make them responsible. This is the reason it gets circulated. Now, don't feel shocked that even after circulation, the minutes get changed before signature and be recorded in the minutes book. Yes, there are incidents, not necessary in a small or a private company, there in any kind of company. And that's why this secretarial standard. So please don't skip secretarial standard for any company. Again, I'm telling, not important, small, inactive, not operative company. It's equal. A person is living, it requires minimum maintenance. So if the company is living, it requires minimum maintenance. Maintenance level, cost will be different, but it requires. And each maintenance is important and to be taken care completely. Okay, now I will go on this way, but I think I should share my PPT. It's visible. Anyone can confirm, please? It's visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, fine, thanks. Hmm. One minute. Yeah. Uh, so the company secretary is responsible. Of course, we know the important position. That's why it's compulsory. And yes, this is very important. Company representative on legal document. And it is their responsibility to ensure that company and its directors operate within the law. Can you understand this responsibility? This is very crucial. This responsibility is given to you. So don't you think it's become your duty to tell at least to the directors that this is not permitted in the law as per your understanding? Now, this is again a challenge. how to tell directors, promoters that this is not in allowed because compliance will be always hurdle to marketing and business and ventures. Your duty is to inform that this is not allowed. Now, the actions taken then is the responsibility of action taker. But don't skip this duty, otherwise, you are responsible for that action, inaction, and abatement. And ensure the compliance, legislation, regulation, keep board member informed of their legal responsibility. Don't skip this by your written communication. Please note that many will show irritation, warn you for written communication. But if you get deterred by this warning, then you are in problem. Rather getting scared in future for the action and inaction of the board, don't get deterred by these threats. But here also, you should know the language how to communicate the things. Please note that you should be neutral, you should not be like a power, and you should not be like subordinate. You should be neutral like an informer. You should not be advising as such, you should be informing. And then, if you are asked, then you start giving advice. You have to warn the person. Okay. Now, generally, role of company secretary, role of administration for your department, shareholder communication, corporate governance, very wide term. Statutory compliance, filing accounts, I mean to say filing forms and documents and all that. It's a breach between the company, shareholder, company house, ensuring all relevant information is shared in compliance on time, efficiently. Now comes the situation, I'm keeping my concentration to the small inactive private company because majority of you are starter and you will be thinking this, and that's why I'm bringing as a listed company, a company, even the private company with lot many factories and group companies, you know that importance. But I'm telling where the list activity is happening, still how the important the work you are doing. That's why I'm bringing and concentrating my discussion towards that company. Now, as I got secretary is a breach between the company, directors, employees. Now, what you will tell about the directors? Directors about the compliance, the action, inaction, the applicable laws, their compliance, their communication with the government, ensure that the public is informed properly, anything which required to be informed, shareholders. Now, again, very important. Again, I'm coming to the small company. Shareholders, you know, public company, you are ready enough for that. I am coming for small company. Two brothers, one staying in India, one staying in overseas. Indian brother, the brother, sorry, not Indian brother, the brother in India is taking control of the company. You know what all he can do, what he will not do. How you communicate to other director. If you communicate, there is problem. If you don't communicate it, there is a problem. Here I am putting the situation. This situation, as company secretary in listed company will not face. So don't think that a small company challenge will not be there, challenge will be more there. I'm telling you repeatedly. Even in listed company, you will face that. Even in public company, you will face that. Here, it comes your interpersonal skill. And you should be able to communicate so that you perform your duty. Written communication is must. You are required to inform the shareholder to be present in Zoom meeting or video meeting, though his attendance, or personally he should be present. You know that 2 quorum is required. This way you can compare and indirectly inform other shareholders to take interest in what is action is required to be done. You tell in the board meeting the director can attend through video conferencing and request that he will cease to be and will problem. Still the person is not acting, remind him he will be legally responsible for this. Then that person will attend. You got your work done. The person when start attending, things go. And that's why I'm repeatedly telling, insist compliance in the small company again and again. Sign documents, proceedings, be careful because you are representing the company. Take all the information, understand the meaning of your signature, then sign. Don't sign because somebody told or I thought. I really get upset when I thought, not thought. What is the facts? Understand the fact and take the decision. To deliver registration return, that registrar give notice, increase in share capital. These are all corporate events, share certificate, registers, annual return, declaration, send notice, statutory books, minutes, resolution with registrar, comply internal regulation and legislation. There will be internal policy procedure. If not there, create and convince to follow to everyone by explaining the importance and advantage. If a person doesn't understand advantage, start explaining disadvantage and the problem. Then the person will understand. You should know that. Draft director's report. Again, director's report should reflect the events happen. Don't just mention the things one liner. That shows you have not done proper research on the company and directors has not performed the duty. Please, again, reserves, provisions, CSR, all things you should take care. Ensure board decisions are properly communicated. Again, written communication to the right person at the right time. Safe custody of all, not only commons, seal all the documents. Represent the company before different regulator and authorities. Here I'll tell all the CS, don't limit yourself to only to Ministry of Corporate Affairs. You have launched so many authorities. You should be reading all the laws regularly. Keep yourself updated. The same is required. Opportunity comes anytime. You should be able to grab that. I was talking about the forms. People don't like filing the forms and creating. Most important thing. One single mistake and create a havoc for the organization. So extra careful in filing this. Whenever you are doing any work, please read the provisions, relevant provisions of the relevant act at that time. You should know what you are doing. You should know to ask the question whether one likes or not like. You are not there to see what other like or not like. So far, initially people may not like, but once you are concentrating on your work and asking all relevant, sensible question, a person will develop the habit to answer your question. Learn to ask why. Why I am doing this? Why this action is doing? Why this action has and what action the corporate is trying to achieve by this. Unless you know that, you're not able to execute the work properly in the way the client or employer wants. Because you should know what is the purpose achieved by this action. Then only you will able to execute it properly the way it is required by the concerned person. This procedure you should know because it is that if any mistakes in your appointment, you are only responsible. So ensure all the forms, board resolution, it content, your remuneration, everything. You should be knowing. I'm not going in detail, but I mentioned this slide specifically because at least you should know that you are appointed properly. Otherwise, you are responsible for non-compliance for that as well. Now, as I told, that compliance is involved. Regulation, governance, standards, rules, requirement, law, policies, transparency. What are the compliances under the Companies Act, statutory register, requirement of Act? And I wonder how many of you read memorandum and article of the corporate for which you are working. Please don't skip this. Unless you read memorandum and article, how you will comply? It's a controlling document of the corporate. I ask many times the question to the company secretary when I do for secretarial audit, what is the business of your company? What answer I get? It's written in main object. I said main object, many things are there. But company don't do all. What is the main business? They say, I think they are into manufacturing of plastic mold. And I said, I think means I don't know, but I heard that, in a board meeting and all. I said, have you visited the factory? No. What you know that they are manufacturing? No. And you are there and working. You don't know what your corporate organization is doing. What you will comply? Meetings, you have to take care of board of directors, members meeting, committee meeting again. Yeah, many times you don't know that committee is applicable, you have to constitute the meeting. So you should know the balance sheet as well. So any work you start for any organization, you should read memorandum, article, and balance sheet of that company and last 3 years minutes of that company. Without that, you cannot start the work of any organization. This is must for any person. Please do that. Then only you start the work. Please know your client. Visit their website. Understand what they are. Then only you make sense to your work. Then only you make sense to your presence or absence. Of course, these are the corporate actions, special resolution, board resolution, and all this form pass 3. All these, you know that, and you have to remember and keep in mind and do in time filing. These are the PPT, which I know that you know better. This when this form file, what a time, within how many time, you have by hearted that. But now you have to understand the meaning of that form. You have to understand the implications of the informations you are filling in that form. So each and every form, be careful while filing and don't get tired, irritated or dissatisfied while doing this work. That will make your work. Love that work. Understand the important. If you are doing something important, you like that work, right? So feel that importance when you do this work. So the of course, Director Dean tell maintain registers. That's all. So this PPT was just for briefing your duty and all that. But I'll say that sky's the limit for you. It's on you how you take it. On the opportunities, problems. Problems are never problem. It's always a situation. It's a situation which you are equipped by your education, qualification, experience to solve. Apply your mind, use your smartness, and solve the situation. This for today. Thanks. Best of luck, everyone. Thank you. If any question, it is open. Otherwise, I'll close this presentation. I think there's no questions. So thanks, everyone. I'll stop my presentation and best of luck.